Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hope you're having a great day. Here's the right side steering knuckle. If you remember on the last video, it broke off right in here. It took this chunk out. This is for your steering right here. This is where it sits down on the ball joint. They even come with lug nuts. So I'm not going to spend much time on this, so I'm ready to get this thing put together so I can get that thing off the trailer. So let's go out to the car and let's start taking the old one off. Okay, I took some WD-40 on these last night. Let them soak overnight. And this in here is your steering tie rod. I had to go get a hammer. Just need to tap that down. Okay, we'll give that thing a smack. Okay. Okay, I've already got that unplugged. So, I guess we can go to, probably ought to take the, I'll move you over here into this other side. Gonna take off the brake calipers next. I've already got some of these loosened up a little bit, so make sure I didn't have any trouble with it getting broke off of there. Okay, got the bolts out. Pick up this caliper and try to put it over here where it won't be hanging. Hopefully it won't fall down. Them suckers are on there tight. Okay, now we're going to take off the rest of the caliper here. Now I believe this is a T30 on your rotor here. Already got it loosened up also. Okay. Now I still need to take these two bolts here back off. That's for your brake lines here. Okay, this line up here for your brake line, this little piece that goes across, that's a 10mm. Okay, I got that off of there. Now we'll go up here at the top. try to support a little bit because it's probably all going to come crashing down here in a minute. Okay, if it's turning, you got to stick your T30 up in there. Get rid of all this before it comes down. Okay, for those who may not know, this got broken in an accident. That's why we're swapping it out today. Here's the replacement. You get these on eBay. I got this one for about $44. Now we got to take this bolt off. We got to go get a bigger wrench. Probably a couple crescent wrenches. I don't know. I'll see if I got a metric that big. Okay, we'll get this thing off here. Okay, we got that done. Might be actually easier to do it from the top. Put the top one in first. Now we'll put this little piece across there. That's holding the brakes in there. That's your 10mm bolts. Okay, we have this piece here put back on with the 10mm bolts, and that holds your brake lines and also don't forget to plug in your sensor on the back of your brakes, anti-lock brakes. So now we'll tighten up this lower one down here. Now we'll go to the top one. Okay, it's turned again. So take off all these lug nuts. Okay. Put the disc back on. Line your holes up for your T30. Make sure that's lined up. Snug that up a little bit. Now we can put the brakes back on. Okay, I got these two good and tight. Now we're ready for the calipers or cell. Hopefully they'll go back on. There we go. Okay, we'll tighten these up good. Okay, we got these all tightened up good. Check all your, make sure everything's plugged in good. Make sure everything's good and tight. And then last but not least, the one for the steering. You'll do that one last so you can have lots of mobility to move it back and forth to get to things. So now we'll stick this tie rod in, tighten it down. Get the right wrench here. Get it good and snug, and you're good to go. Okay, there's that's the one for your steering. It's all good and tight. So put your wheel on, you're done. So that's gonna conclude this project. Thanks for watching.